So how do you reset your iPad if you want to bring it to the factory settings and return it? Let's talk about it. If you're new on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you'll not miss videos like this one. So to completely erase it and reset it, open up the settings app of your iPad and find the general section. From there, at the bottom, we have the transfer or reset iPad. And you can tap on reset, and there are like different types of resetting, but these are not like completely erasing the iPad, because as you can see, you can only reset settings, network settings, and other services. But if you want to completely wipe out the iPad, tap on erase all content and settings. As you can tell, it's a pretty serious process, so you're going to have to confirm it a few times because you are removing literally every single thing on the iPad, like your personal data, your iCloud account, your Find My activation log. All of that has to be turned off, so you'll be required to type in your iPad passcode, your Apple ID password, which is a separate thing, of course, and you have to go through all of that before you can return and like factory reset the iPad fully, and that's how you can do this. So it might take a while, but this is how you do this. So let me know in the comments if you managed to find it. In case of any questions, use the comment section and subscribe for more tutorials and upcoming videos like this one.